Hindi naman lahat ng negosyo para sa iyo. Hindi, kasi meron kang katangi-tanging galing na ikaw lang ang meron nun. So, the task is to find that space where you will be very good. Kasi pagka nakita mo yon through your journey and in your dependence with God in that journey, pag nakita mo yon, then you'll be so motivated na you'll be passionate in what you're doing. And then, magiging magaling ka doon kasi gustong-gusto mong gawin. In that space where you can be very good at, that is where money will come to you. So, not all businesses. That's why it becomes very simple because you just have to journey with God and itanong mo sa Kanya kung saan ka magaling at hingin mo na i-guide ka doon sa space na yun. Once you have found that, see to it that you work hard in order to be the best of you are. Kasi ang hahanapin ng customers, yung maganda, yung magaling, yung pinakamagaling ang magtatagal sa market na yon.